Hi, welcome in Learn English. Let's start.
Hello, everyone. I'm Mark, and today I'm at the airport, ready for my flight to New York. Let me take you through all the steps of airport travel. First things first, I need to check in. This means I have to go to the check-in counter where I show my passport and ticket. The airline will give me a boarding pass and they'll also check my luggage. Here's my passport and ticket. Checking in is important because it confirms my seat on the plane. Now that I have my boarding pass, I'm heading to security. This is where they check everyone's bags and belongings to make sure we're all safe. At security, I have to put my laptop, phone, wallet, and anything metal in a tray. These items go through a scanner to check for anything unusual. Let's see. I've got my phone and laptop ready. All right, I've gone through security and everything is clear. Next, I need to find my gate, which is gate 14B. This is where I'll wait until it's time to board the plane. I still have some time, so I think I'll grab a coffee at one of the airport cafes. I'll need energy for the long flight. Okay, coffee in hand, and now I'm on my way to the gate. Boarding starts at 10:30, so I should be there on time. At the gate, they'll ask to see my boarding pass again. Here we are. Boarding is about to start. I'll show my boarding pass to the gate agent, and then I'll walk down the jet bridge to the plane. Once I'm on the plane, I'll find my seat and get comfortable. It's going to be a long flight, but I'm excited. Thanks for coming along with me on my airport journey. I hope you learned some useful travel words. See you next time, and wish me a safe flight.